Welcome to Return to Athens. Today we roll a dice on the Paralympics. Recently, Athens 2004 President Gianna Angelopoulos Daskalaki unveiled a children's educational tool entitled Paralympic Games from 1960 to 2004.
I give thumbs up to ATHOC for its initiative, and I also give a particular big thumbs up to ATHOC choosing children as probably the best vehicle to change mentalities within the nation. Children don't even perceive disability. They perceive wheelchairs as sports equipment. They perceive the people, blind people, as just people. And I think that our adults and our older children can learn so much from our younger children in this regard. Seeing the game at the end, which has been referred to as Paralympic Monopoly to me, is tremendous, and all sorts of things that will get the children really involved in Paralympic Games.
Part of the Olympic education program, the game is being played at over 7,000 schools and will be taught to a whopping 650,000 pupils throughout Greece.
This game was made so that we can learn certain things about the Paralympic Games, how these athletes are, how they train, and so that people learn what kind of games they actually are.
Ατομικά και ομαδικά αγωνίσματα. Αγωνίζονται στο ελεύθερο, το ύπτιο, το πρόστιο, την πεταλούδα, τη μεικτή και τις κυταλοδρομίες.
My understanding is that the game is educational, and that with this game we learn certain things. For example, where and when the Olympic Games took place, and about certain athletes who have problems, but who make a major effort to achieve something.
The board game, like all things Olympic in nature, is more about participation than victory.
1964, Τόκιο, Ιαπωνία. Σε αυτούς τους αγώνες πήγαιναν άτομα με...
People with disabilities participate in the games and try to practice sport in the best possible way.
Με τον καλύτερο τρόπο να αθλούνται.
The game easily promotes interaction between the children as they have to ask each other questions from game cards.
Σεούλ, Κορέα.
And like most popular board games, it's simply a matter of rolling the dice and moving your piece further along the board.
Η πρόκληση για την κατάρρευση παλαιότερων επιδόσεων και η επιδίωξη για διάκριση και νίκη δίνουν το στίγμα της συμμετοχής του αθλητή στους Παραολυμπιακούς Αγώνες της Αθήνας του 2004.
Through the playing of the game, it's hoped that teachers, pupils and parents will keep a legacy of knowledge about the largest sporting events in the world, the great challenge, overcoming one's limits, and the triumph of human spirit.
Η Διεθνής Παραολυμπιακή Επιτροπή ICC ιδρύθηκε στις 22 Σεπτεμβρίου 1989 για να εκπροσωπήσει το κορυφαίο αθλητισμό ατόμων με αναπηρίες. Μετά το 1992, η IPC αντικατέστησε την ICC.
So remember to keep watching Return to Athens as we bring you the latest in the behind-the-scenes news and views in the lead-up to Athens 2004. But before we go this week, a final word from our gamers.
Everyone wins because everyone learns lots of facts about the Paralympic Games.